Isiganeko sokuqala sasingomhla kuvulwa ipalamente ebutsheni bonyaka. Amalungu eEFF asukuma esithi makagxothwe kulo msitho lo wayesakuba ngumongameli weli we-FWD clerk. Lo mazwi avusa enkulu impikiswano kwindlu yomthetho. Ngoku i-EFF ikhala ngokuba kusukelwa amalungu ayo kuphela.
Don't even proceed with the principle called we are considering we're going to open a video and watch EFF members and how they conduct themselves. You've already made up your mind, and there can't be a fair process that begins like that. If you genuinely watch the video as a matter of public record, a whole set of members of parliament, even outside the EFF benches, raised several points of orders, and there were several rulings on these points of orders. The House was suspended, and then when the House resumed, members of the EFF or several members in the benches of the EFF voluntarily left.
Kodwa amanye amalungu yekomiti ejongene nokuziphatha kwamalungu epalamente athi maluqhubeke uphando yaye akuzukusukelwa amalungu e-EFF engenabhola.
It cannot be correct that we say the committee must just leave everything else because there's no evidence. We are not yet there. We are still going there. And if it calls for us to go back to the video so that we identify any member who transgressed on that day, we will do that.
Kunyaka opheleyo amalungu e-EFF akhe axoxa intetho kamphathiswa uBravin Gordhan neso isehlo siza kuphandwa yaye sekuchongwe igqwetha uncumisa amayosi ukuba khokhele lowo msebenzi. Asane Beche, Iindaba ze-SABC epalamente.